So hello everyone, I hope you're all in good. So today I'm going to share with you the topic related to how to make money online on Daraz.pk, how to sell your products online on Daraz, and what is affiliated marketing programs and their tips. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Daraz.pk is the largest online store in Pakistan. If you are interested in earning money online, then you may also be using the platform Daraz.pk. You may earn money online by following three methods through Daraz.pk. By selling the products by affiliated programs by Daraz Dost. So earn money online by selling your products on Daraz is basically in the online store you have a million of loyal visitors. Here you do not need to pay any listing fee. You will have to pay on sell quick and reliable shipping services that is also provided. Payment are given in time and secure. Free sellers mobile app is also available. Here are 3 steps for earning money through this online store. You may become seller at Daraz with the help of just 3 simple steps. In the first step, you will have to register yourself on Daraz.pk, providing your details and credentials and your business, then your list of your products with complete details. Number 2, after registration and listing of your products, you may get orders from all over the world. On receiving the orders, you may manage the orders using the selling center. Company will verify the orders and let your process or track the orders. On getting order, you just need to pack your products. Rest of the issue will be handled by the portal. You will have to pick and pack the products within 24 hours. Third party coated company will ship the products. Number 3, in the last stage, company will handle the issues or return and you will get your payments directly into your account. So what is Daraz University? The portal has established Daraz University to train the sellers for selling the products on Daraz.pk. Here you will be given guidance about the product, listing, order, fulfill, financement, streamlining operations, maximizing sales and policies. Here you will be given free training through video tutorials. You will also be given digital certificate, webinars, workshop and offline classes arranged by Daraz University. So at the last, we will cover the topic of earning money online as Draz Dost and what is affiliated marketing Draz Dost PK. You just need to sign up for Draz Dost, then educate the customers about the system of this web portal and bring new customers on board for earning money monthly bonuses. You may earn up to 550,000 rupees monthly through this program. And then second number is earn money online through Draz.pk by affiliate marketing. For more details, you should visit our new video. If you have any query in this video, then let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, give this video thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.